Kung totoong naging Kristiyano ka na, can you lose your salvation and end up in hell? Kapag ikaw ba ay born-again Christian ng totoo, ligtas ka na nga ba talaga? Marami ang naniniwala sa katagang once saved, always saved or OSAS na ang ibig sabihin ang mga totoong Kristiyano minsan ang naligtas sa pamamagitan ng pagtanggap kay Hesukristo bilang Lord and Savior ay mananatiling ligtas at siguradong mapupunta sa langit.
Galing ha?
Tama ba ang turong ito? At ano nga ba talaga ang sinasabi ng ating Biblia? Hello, my name is Burns and welcome back to Unboxing Catholicism, the channel where you discover and defend the faith clearly without being preachy. Handa na ba ang inyong mga ballpen at papel? Let's unbox this. First verse, Romans chapter 8 verses 38 to 39. Alam nyo, noong anti-Catholic Protestant pa ako, gamit na gamit ko ang Bible verse na ito whenever we talk to Catholics. Dahil mukhang sinasabi nga rito na ang tao na tinanggap na si Jesus bilang Panginoon na tagapagligtas ay mananatiling ligtas. Ang sabi kasi, nothing will be able to separate us from the love of God. The text does not say, you yourself cannot walk away from Jesus. Tignan po natin yung konteksto o kinalalagyan ng Romans 8. Pansinin po natin ang sabi niya sa verse 13. If you live according to the flesh, you will die. But if by the Spirit you put to death the deeds of the body, you will live. So, may kalakip itong pangako. Ang sabi niya sa verse 17, tayo ay mga anak at tagapagmana ng Diyos provided we suffer with Him in order that we may also be glorified with Him. In other words, St. Paul is clearly saying within context that no external power can pull you out of God's hands, but you and me can freely walk out and reject the grace of God and choose sin. In fact, just 3 chapters ahead, we read in Romans chapter 11, verse 22, note then the kindness and the severity of God. Severity toward those who have fallen, but God's kindness to you, provided you continue in His kindness. Otherwise, you too will be cut off. Guys, I don't know with you, but I think nothing could be clearer than that. Malinaw ang turo ng Biblia. Hindi ka bibitawan ni God, pero pwede mo siyang bitawan. Tandaan po natin yung sinabi ni San Agustin sa atin, God who created you without you will not save you without you.